Welcome back to BioBreakthroughs. This week's science headlines are buzzing, literally. From caterpillars that digest grocery bags to fish that spend more energy staying still than swimming, we've got a buffet of discoveries in biology, biotech, and everything in between. Let's start at the beginning, as in embryonic beginnings. New research shows embryonic skin cells communicate with gentle mechanical tugs. No Wi-Fi, just wiggles. These tiny signals help coordinate how cells move together to form tissues, organs, and more. The same proteins we use to hear sound in our ears are repurposed here to help cells listen to one another. Think of it as a cellular whisper chain. I move, you move. It's choreography on a microscopic scale, and it might help explain how tissue grows so precisely even in the earliest stages of development. Did you know these tugs are just nanometers wide, thousands of times thinner than a strand of hair? So your cells are gossiping behind your back, but only to make your back in the first place. So picture this, a trout holding perfectly still in a fast-moving stream. Chill, right? Actually, not so much. Scientists discovered that fish burn twice as much energy hovering in place as they do swimming forward. Their secret? A high-speed fin ballet. By rapidly flicking their pectoral fins, they make micro-adjustments to stay in one spot, countering the force of flowing water. It's like treading water with flair, and engineers are taking notes to design better underwater robots. Basically, these fish invented floating Pilates. Next up, your newest eco-hero, the wax moth caterpillar. These larvae can digest polyethylene, the tough plastic used in bags and packaging. The secret lies in their gut bacteria, which break the plastic down and convert it into fat. Scientists hope to extract these enzymes to create bioreactors for plastic waste. No landfills, no microplastics, just fat bugs. One squirmy step forward to a cleaner planet. But did you know a single caterpillar can eat about 0.1 milligrams of plastic a day? Who knew the future of recycling had 6 legs and a squishy belly? Next stop, diagnostics. Testing antibodies usually takes days, but what if it only took 90 minutes? At Scripps, scientists built a microchip that does just that. It reads how your antibodies bind to viruses from just a drop of blood, making it a game changer for disease tracking, vaccine design, and immunotherapy. It's like speed dating, but for your immune system. Now, imagine a material thinner than spider silk that transmits sound with almost zero energy loss. Scientists at the Niels Bohr Institute, University of Copenhagen, along with collaborators of the University of Konstanz and ETH Zurich, have built a quantum drum. No, it's not part of a physics rocket band, though that would be amazing. It's actually an ultra-thin membrane, just nanometers thick, that carries sound signals with incredible precision. This tiny drum can measure things like pressure, heat, gas leaks, and even the shape of a virus. That level of sensitivity could revolutionize virus detection, quantum computing, and even the way cool next-gen electronics. At this rate, it won't be long before your computer asks, "Did you mean to open that window? It's getting drafty in here." But did you know researchers are working on a way to put this sensor into a chip to be able to integrate it into everyday life? So before we know it, this sensor can be in the palm of our hands. Now taking a glance at health. First up, tirzepatide, a dual GLP-1/GIP drug, which is also known as Moderna and Zepbound, was found to shrink breast tumors in mice. This drug may not only help you lose weight, but also help you treat obesity-related cancers. Wild. On the other hand, scientists at Virginia Tech used focused ultrasounds to safely deliver creatine to the brain, bypassing the blood-brain barrier, hoping to reverse devastating creatine transporter deficiencies by momentarily opening microscopic gateways. They aim to revive brain growth and function without damaging healthy tissues, an approach that could fast-track from lab benches to life-saving treatments. Now let's zoom out for the big picture. The U.S. House proposed major budget cuts, up to 21%, to the NSF and NASA. Scientists are sounding alarms. Meanwhile, biotech company Spare Bio launched ultra-sensitive blood tests for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's in partnership with Biotech. Politics giveth and taketh, but at least biotech's still hustling. And that's your BioBreakthroughs for this week. From whispering cells to caterpillars saving the planet, this week proved biology is wild, weird, and widely creative. Let me know in the comments which story was your favorite. Like, subscribe, and drop your best cell whisper joke in the comments. See you next week.